everybody, Two Boomers and a Baby here. We are talking interior lights for your RV today. Just got this product in from Rvguard. It is a 12 volt LED. It's low consumption, high efficiency light. Has a 3-way switch. You can light up both sides or just one side. Has a 60,000 hour life expectancy. As you see, it has all the harnesses and mounting supplies. If you're not familiar with Rvguard, you can check out their products at rvguardstore.com, or they have a full line on Amazon. They have 500 plus products to choose from. They have all your power cords, adapters, your stabilizing jacks, RV covers. They have the screens for the exterior doors, keep the critters and pests out. We're going to go ahead and install these today. If you want to grab your jacket and watch, just follow us. Alright, this is our 1990 Itasca Class C. We're going to be swapping out the factory incandescent lights on. As you can tell, just over time, just the plastic just gets so hot it just deteriorates. That one actually has a hole all the way through it, it'd just crumble. This is a fixer-upper, I apologize. We are doing many updates on it. Has great bones. It would be a really nice project once we get it fixed up. Let me go ahead and grab my tools and we'll get started on this. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and install these interior lights. Apparently you don't need your jacket, so you can go ahead and take that off if you want. It's nice and warm out here in Missouri today. This is the light we're going to be replacing here. Should be a simple swap out. I've already done one of them, I'll show you later. But you can just pop the old lenses off. This is one of the larger lights here. Looks like we have 6 screws, maybe 8. So you can go ahead and remove all the mounting screws. Gently pop it away from the ceiling. Depending on the age of your RV. Oh, might be a little stuck. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut these wires. Remember, the green is for white. I'll just cut them and re-strip them. And I'll just attach the white light, the white wire to the green. Just put the wire holder on there that's provided. And I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of electrical tape on here just in case. It's probably a little overkill, but better safe than sorry. Alrighty, so I have the covers taken off. I went ahead and tucked the wires up into the ceiling a little bit just to give me a little more clearance. And then I want to find out where I want to mount it. Make sure the wires are tucked in. Find your spot. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting some screws in. And once the screws are in, I can go ahead and put the lens covers back on carefully. And they just snap into place. And that's as easy as it is. Puts off a very clean light, high efficiency, low consumption, and it probably took about 5 minutes to do. Here are the finished products. Really nice addition. I've left them on for a little while. They do not get hot at all. They put out great light.